Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, meron akong isi-share sa inyo na new product na ilo-launch sa market. What I am referring to is a new dashcam na magandang gamitin sa ating mga sasakyan. Ang official name niya ay 70mm Dashcam 4K Omni. Ito yung may rotating camera na offering 360-degree support. So ano-ano yung mga special features niya? Una, meron siyang 360-degree rotating 4K dashcam. Ito yung industry first full 360-degree coverage with AI motion tracking. So siguradong walang blind spots. Meron din siyang superior night vision. Yung Sony Starvis sensor at saka yung AI enhanced low light technology deliver extra ultra clear footage even in complete darkness. So okay siya gamitin kahit sa gabi. Meron din siyang true 4K UHD clarity. Na-capture niya yung crisp details like license plates and faces, day and night. Talagang maliwanag ang kuha. At 24/7 smart parking surveillance, AI motion detection and time-lapse recording keep your car secure at all times. So sigurado ka na marirecord niya 24 hours ang paligid niya. Meron din siyang remote access and voice control. 4G Wi-Fi connectivity for live streaming. Meron kang alerts and hands-free operation. Ito yung nakakatuwa kasi may voice command pa. And ideal siya for the driver na naghahanap ng security, clarity, and convenience day and night. Bale, yung 70My was founded in 2016. 70My is an industry-leading auto intelligence company specializing in dashcams, spanning beginner-friendly models for basic recording needs. Meron din silang premium 4K cameras with advanced features. To date, it has built a global market presence, selling 1.5 million dashcams in a single year to 100 plus countries spanning Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia. So, what's inside the box? Meron siyang front dashcam saka yung rear camera. Meron din siyang kasamang car charger, wiring trim tool, power cord sa front dashcam at saka yung power cord sa rear camera. By the way, kasama din sa promo package nila, merong free CPL filter at 128GB na memory card. Okay, check din natin kung ano pa kasama dito sa box. Meron siyang dalawang electrostatic sticker, meron din siyang user manual for back camera, at saka user manual for the 70My Dashcam 4K Omni Series. At 2 electrostatic sticker for the rear dashcam at may kasama ding extra sticker for the front and rear dashcam. Okay, ikabit na natin yung 70My Omni Dashcam. Dapat dun sa center. Pwede na din dito pero hindi magandang lugar yan. So I decided sa center ilagay sa ilalim ng rear view mirror. So, tinanggal natin yung backing ng electrostatic sticker kasi yun ang pagkakabitan ng sticker ng dashcam. So, ayan, isenter natin dito at nung nakasentro na, in-stick na natin. So, maganda ang kapit niyan. Make sure dun sa flat area ng windshield nakakabit para maganda ang kapit. Then, punasan natin ng basahan at ready na tayo mag-stick ng dashcam. So, tanggalin na natin yung cover ng sticker dito sa dashcam para may kabit na natin dito sa electrostatic sticker. Meron diyang guide kung saan ikakabit yung dashcam. So, yan, na-stick na natin. Make sure na nakaharap yung display screen sa interior ng car. So, yan, naikabit na natin. Then, ikabit na natin yung 128GB memory card dito sa kanyang memory card slot. Okay, tanggalin na natin yung sticker dito sa front camera. Ang next na ikakabit natin ay yung power cord. This is the car charger. Yung power cord ikakabit natin dito sa kanyang slot. Pero meron siyang slot dito sa taas. So, isasaksak natin itong power cord. So, yan, nakakabit na yung power cord at iruruta natin itong power cord using this wiring trim tool para maitago natin ang cord dito sa headliner. Then, itatakin natin siya doon sa loob ng headliner pakanan, papunta dito sa may A pillar. Then, ibababa natin dito sa may A pillar at pababa, papunta dito sa may ilalim para maitago natin ang cord. And then, pwede na nating isaksak dito sa Type A power slot. and then wait natin na mag-on yung camera. O yan, nabuhay na. Nagkaroon na ng blue light at saka nagpaikot-ikot na ang camera ng 360 degrees. Tapos, tumigil siya dun sa front position. Okay, naka-on na yung dashcam. Ang next step is i-connect natin yung 70My app. We can scan the QR code to download and install the app. Pwede mo din i-search yung 70My app sa App Store to download and install it. Then open the app and tap plus in the home page. In the Bluetooth scanning result list, tap the dashcam's homepage displays. Same with the dashcam's Wi-Fi name. And then confirm the authorization on the dashcam. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect the dashcam Wi-Fi. When connected, the dashcam homepage displays. You can view the live video and then configure the dashcam settings. Next, i-format naman natin yung SD card. Next, i-format naman natin yung SD card. Okay, check natin dito sa screen kung nagpo-format na siya. So yan, makikita mo na pino-format niya yung SD card. So hintayin natin matapos yung formatting. Yan, na-format na yung SD card at makikita mo na yung screen ngayon. So ganito yung sample na kuha from the dashcam. Maliwanag na siya. Bago tayo mag-test drive, i-check muna natin yung voice command features. Record video. Record audio. Enable hotspot. Disable hotspot. Capture left. Capture right. Capture inside. Camera reset. Take a selfie. Shoot vlog. So pag nag-shoot ng vlog, umiikot yung camera 360 degrees. So bali ganyan yung sample. Pag ikot ng camera, magpapan sa loob ng 360 degrees. Tapos, balik uli doon sa front position yung camera. You can also take photo at any time. Take photo. Yan, nakapag-take na siya ng photo. Okay, simulan na natin yung road test during daytime. You can see that the video is very clear kasi it offers 4K resolution with 60 FPS. So the quality of the recording is significantly upgraded. At ganito naman ang itsura ng interior shot. Maliwanag din ang kuha sa interior. It is a very nice dashcam and very modern. Yung 24-hour guardian mode saka yung 360-degree camera are the best features of this dashcam. Very modern siya and convenient kasi meron pa siyang voice command features. The 4K Omni uses Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor paired with 70my's Lumi Vision Tech. While these specs might sound complicated for the average person, they are here to ensure clear visibility in daylight and nighttime conditions. The 4K Omni offers auto exposure adjustments and smart noise reductions, specifically to offer high-quality surveillance without natural light. Ito nga palang dashcam na to includes 24-hour guardian mode that can monitor what happens in front of your car 24/7. Thanks to its rotating system, yung 4K Omni can automatically rotate left and right para masundan yung human person na na-detect niya by integrated AI motion detection 2.0. This means that once the camera detects someone is too close to your car, it automatically starts recording, following the person as they move around your vehicle. The 4K Omni can also use yung dual camera mode when parked. Yung integrated G-sensor, nagtitrigger siya yung collision detection system and starts recording 30-second videos using both cameras. So, ganito naman yung kuha niya during nighttime. Maliwanag din yung kuha niya. By the way, yung parking mode includes several features powered by the mobile companion app. For example, it offers instant app alerts when collision detection is triggered. Yung live streaming integration allows the owner to connect dun sa dashcam remotely and view the live footage from any of the two connected cameras. Meron din siyang Find My Car feature that allows 70 My customers to find their vehicles in busy parking spaces, while the live route tracking lets them see how the car travels on the map. By the way, the Omni now supports a rear camera, so you can monitor what happens both in front and at the back of the car. Hindi ko pa lang siya na ikakabit. So, magkano ang presyo? Ang selling price niya is about 14,000 pesos at will be available sa Lazada starting March 24. At kasama dun sa promo yung free 128GB memory card at yung CPL filter. And then starting March 28 naman, nagiging available siya sa Shopee at saka sa TikTok. So kung interesado kayo, habulin nyo yung promo hanggang April 4 lang para meron kayong 328GB memory card at saka yung CPL filter. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. I hope nakapagbigay ako sa inyo ng idea itong bagong dashcam ng 70My. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you again my next vlog. Bye!